If your job involves risks and your life is at stake, what choices would you take to protect yourself and your environment? Wisetrack, a leading company in innovative solution development for logistics and transportation, presents Mobicua.
Attention, attention.
A new service that protects and saves lives. Mobicua predicts accidents based on data analysis and collection, managing and reporting on events that put driving safety at risk. Achieving interaction between devices and monitoring 24/7 with reports in real time. Mobicua reduces accidents caused by fatigue, drowsiness, distractions, and while driving. It alerts speeding, combining a complete vision of the route and its events. All the information collected is analyzed through machine learning and big data, which allows designing risk profiles associated with drivers. Mobicua is Road Defense exclusive distributor and advanced equipment with facial recognition designed with artificial intelligence, which detects and sends warnings when the driver is in a dangerous situation. Its alerts are verified and classified for 100% truthful information delivered. Mobicua enables fast and effective error monitoring, simplifies driver identification, associating alerts and data analysis to improve risk prevention while driving. Appreciate the value of people. Appreciate the value of your information. Appreciate your life and make smart choices for your business. Mobicua, safety is possible.